Hello guys, welcome back to Mercedes Lounge. Today we're driving the 2022 Mercedes-Benz CLA250 4Matic sedan. This will be a full point of view drive review of this very affordable CLA250. Very nice interior, exclusive red leather with the red contrast stitching as well as grey contrast displays at the front for your multimedias, black piano lacquer trim. Very nice. This 2022 CLA250 4Matic has a 2-liter inline-4 turbo engine that makes 221 horsepower with 258 pound-feet of torque. It has a 7G DCT 7-speed automatic transmission, eco start-stop, 4Matic all-wheel drive. Exterior digital white metallic, interior classic red black leather with the natural grain black lindenwood trim. 225 sectional 40 R19 19-inch rim, MG9 package, black accents, window surrounds, chrome door handle, black siding mirror housings. Front design here, 225 sectional 40 R19 multi-spoke rims, silver brake calipers, the LED light right here, single eyebrow at the top, air vent design down here with the 2 horizontal fins. Very soft, nice interior. I'm gonna turn on the AC. It's a very hot day. There is a media function down here for the AC unit. Or you can use the auto piano key down here. Feels nice. Let's talk about what's going on here with this CLA250 4Matic sedan. Affordable Mercedes-Benz, the CLA250. There is an A-Class, like an A220, but I'd prefer for you to go for a CLA250, and I'll tell you why. For 50K out the door, you can get a very well built out CLA250, such as this one. 2-liter inline-4, the new direction from Mercedes, smaller engine, more efficient, and 221 horsepower. And it is quick. Gonna adjust my side mirrors. There's a button right here for that. It has a good engine balance. The 2-liter inline-4 turbo. And it's been paired with a 7-speed automatic transmission. Very nice, seamless gear changes. I'm gonna set this to automatic. And as you'd expect, this car has very nice climate control system, and it features these turbine vent designs with the inspiration from the water turbines. And this car has 64 color ambient lights. For the multimedia, which means you have all the colors which at night, for a night drive, they flow inside the air vents. And there's good balance of the air conditioning on a hot day like today. The upper dash, premium material. It has this rubberized material here with the natural ash grain wood trim, a leather wrapped upper section, all premium material in here, black piano lacquer trim around the air vents, piano keys down here for the additional climate control systems, menu button for your visual displays for the climate vents, and the fan speeds with different colors. And the beauty of this car is, as you adjust the temperature, the light changes to blue, rather to red, and vice versa for the 64 color ambient lights. NFC wireless charging down here. I have the keys down here. My phone is also down here. And two cup holders right here, USB-C ports, additional black piano lacquer trim elements down here on the center console. Love this palm rest. And the MBUX navigation system has this trackpad down here, receive haptic feedback, navigation map, very nice map. You can zoom in and out. I'm in Salt Lake City, Utah, no delays. Radio and media function, you can browse in that fashion. Telephone shortcut. There's another shortcut here for the favorites, a setup assistant, and then quick access options. It's a very nice drive experience inside this CLA250. All in all, interior top notch. The seats are also very comfortable. Classic red with black leather. Now, the drawback, if you're going to build a car, Mercedes, there is a supply chain issues, chip shortages. There is no memory seating right here. If you notice, most of the cars I drive, they have three-way memory seating options on the door panel here, but this car only has heated seats. I suspect because of the chip shortage, doesn't have memory seating. So there's a lever down here to adjust your seat. Otherwise, good light controls down here, side mirror and window options over here. Nice leather wrapped steering wheel with the black contrast stitching, and most of the material in here is actually very soft as well. And we will sneak right through here. In terms of the drive characteristics, it's a very light steering wheel. It's power steering wheel, very light. The car does feel very light, especially around the corners. Braking is good. 4 piston brake calipers at the front. Decent brakes, I would say. Multi-spoke rims as well. So it does pick up and go very, very fast. Although 0 to 60 time is probably in the 7-second range. And my verdict, you should buy a CLA250 4Matic sedan. Budget friendly, with the right options, you're not gonna go wrong. Alright guys, that's a look at the 2022 CLA250 4Matic sedan. If you like this video, leave a comment and subscribe to Mercedes Lounge.